Once the material is loaded in the 3D printer and digital instructions are programmed, production begins as the jetting head rapidly moves along the x-axis, the y-axis, and the z-axis. Small droplets are sprayed by photopolymer jets in layers that are instantly cured by an ultraviolet lamp. Voxels, or three-dimensional pixels, are strategically placed during the build to allow for the combination of both flexible and rigid materials. The fine layers of digital materials accumulate on the build platform to create accurate final parts. Need quality 3D printed parts? Get an instant quote today at Protolabs.